12th question, the coefficient of x power 17 in x minus 1, x minus 2, etc., x minus 18. Now, if you look at this carefully, there are 18 terms here. X minus 1 is the first term, x minus 2 is the second term, like that x minus 3, x minus 4 up to x minus 18, it is multiplied. Now, for this we will observe one very simple concept. Now, suppose you have two terms. Let us say, suppose you have x plus a into x plus b. Now, this is a formula that we have learnt in our lower classes. It is x square. Because of these two, it will become x square. Next, plus these coefficient will add, so that is a plus b into x plus a into b. So, this is the formula for x plus a into x plus b. Now, suppose you have three terms. Suppose you have x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Then the first term will be x cube. The second term will be sum of this a plus b plus c into the power of x will decrease, so this will be x square. The next term will be ab plus bc plus ca into x square will become x, plus finally all the three will get multiplied. So, therefore, this is abc. So, this is the actual formula. Now, from this we understand something. Okay. Now, if there are two terms, okay, or if there are three terms, the first term here will be x cube, but the power of the coefficient, that is one less. So, if it is x cube, if it is x square, the coefficient of that x square will be always sum of the terms here, a plus b plus c. Same way, x plus a into x plus b, the first term is x square, but the power of the coefficient of x which is one less than this, that is x power 2, x power 1, this coefficient will be again the sum. Now, if you go by this logic, suppose you think of simplifying this. So, if you expand x minus 1, x minus 2, so on x minus 18, now the first term will be obviously x power 18, because there are 18 terms. When there are 3 terms, it is x cube. So, when there are 18 terms, it will be x power 18, then plus the next term will be x power 17. Okay. And what you have to write here is nothing but a plus b plus c, see the sum of coefficient. So, in this case what you have to write here is sum of all the coefficients. So, it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc., minus 18 into x power 17. Okay. Now, in that sense this is a very tricky problem, and now if you see the question, they are asking what is the coefficient of x power 17. So, coefficient of x power 17 is nothing but minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus 18. Now, if this is asked in CET, immediately you can say option C is the answer, because when you add all the negative numbers, the total answer should come negative. Only option C is negative. Suppose you cannot guess the option, then to find this, what we will do is, we will take minus common. If we take minus common, we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3, etc., 18. Now, to add numbers from 1 to n, there is a formula. Okay. So, I will just write down the formula here. Though this is the formula. The formula for 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to n, is n into n plus 1 by 2. So, this is the formula. So, if you want to add numbers from 1 to 18, so the value of n will be 18. So, put n is equal to 18 here. Therefore, we are going to get, there is a minus sign, and the value of n should be replaced by 18. So, it is 18 into 18 plus 1, that is 19 divided by 2. So, here 2 will go 9 times, and 19 into 9 is 171. Yes, 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 1s are 9 plus 8, 17. So, minus 171. Therefore, option C